everybody, this is Kelly from CompTIA. Tonight we are in Nashville and we're at Honky Tonk Central talking to IT pros about how they got into the industry and their advice for new IT pros. Let's take a look.
Well, I was a high school band director. Our IT director left and then I got the job. I was one of the more techie, I guess, in our school system. And when I got the job, I was so green, I go, you can log into a switch? Well, that's pretty cool.
I was an IT director for a behavioral healthcare agency in Akron, Ohio. Then I moved to Nashville, Tennessee. That's where we are right now. Music City, baby.
I was probably like 12. We had a Windows 98 computer, so long time ago, and it broke. I was the only person who could fix it in the house.
When I was 12, I really just loved to take things apart and never put them back together again. Until I turned 14 and I was like, you know what, maybe I should try putting this computer back together again. And surprise, it ended up working correctly on the first time.
I got started in the career from a kid, started playing around on computers and just had an inkling and a desire for the analytical side, and started with playing with Legos, and it grew from there.
We were really early in the IT pro family, I think, and I just watched everything and just kind of built up, found a topic, watched it, learned it, did that, applied that, then went on to the next step.
There's two things that are really important. Is one, knowing what you're doing, so practice it all the time. Set up a virtual machine, do what you think a business would need to do, and two, get the certifications to prove that you do know what you're doing. CompTIA, I have the A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, Project Plus.
Well, we had a blast tonight talking to IT pros about their career paths and learning more about why IT is a great field to work in. So thanks for joining us and have a great night, everybody.